Let's quickly define passive income websites before we get started and discuss why they're such a game changer. Online platforms and services that provide passive income let you make money with little continuing work. You can make money while you sleep thanks to them because they serve as platforms for producing and making money from quality content, goods, or services. Let's now look more closely at a few of the well-known websites that offer passive income and can support the development of your online revenue sources. For business owners wishing to launch their own online stores, e-commerce systems like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce are the preferred choices. These platforms offer a variety of features and resources to help you launch and run an online store. You might choose to sell physical things or digital goods on e-commerce platforms. You may securely accept payments, manage inventory, use dropshipping techniques, and even interact with well-known marketplaces like Amazon or eBay while listing your products. You can create passive money when customers make purchases if you use marketing strategies to increase foot traffic to your store. For makers and artists to sell their digital goods, online marketplaces like Etsy, Envato, or Creative Market offer a great platform. These websites offer a wide variety of digital goods, including artwork, images, templates, music, and more, and they cater to a global audience. By opening a store on one of these online marketplaces, you may access a sizable customer base without having to worry about developing your own website. You can submit your digital goods, establish your pricing, and leave the dealings, shipping, and customer service to the marketplace. You receive passive income as people buy your stuff and the market handles the logistics. The way we learn and teach has changed dramatically thanks to online course sites like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare. For the development and marketing of online courses, these platforms offer a strong infrastructure. You could design and publish your own course materials, such as videos, tests, and resources, if you have specific knowledge or skill in a particular field. You can choose your course's cost, design interesting lessons, and even provide certificates of completion. Enrollment, payment processing, and occasionally even marketing are handled by the platform. You receive passive income from every transaction as students sign up for your course. An effective technique to generate passive revenue through the suggestion of products is through affiliate marketing networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Commission Junction. These networks give you access to an extensive selection of goods and services that you can market as an affiliate. Creating distinctive affiliate links for the goods or services you wish to advertise is possible when you join an affiliate marketing network. You can use these links in your email marketing campaigns, website content, blog entries, and social media posts. You receive a commission, which is often a percentage of the sale, when someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link. Gaining passive income while assisting others in finding worthwhile goods or services is a win-win situation. Simple and well-liked ways to monetize your website or blog through adverts are provided by ad networks like Google AdSense, Media.net, or AdThrive. These networks help you establish contact with marketers who wish to place advertising on your website. You can add ad codes to your website or blog by signing up for an ad network. The delivery, optimization, and payment processing of the advertisements are handled by the ad network. Visitors that click or view the adverts pay you money, pay-per-click or cost per impression. You can get passive revenue from the shown adverts as your website gains more and more visitors. There you have it, everyone. A thorough examination of websites that generate passive income to aid in the development of your online revenue sources. Keep in mind that earning passive income requires persistence, patience, and work. Build your online empire by selecting the websites or platforms that best suit your interests, abilities, and resources. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more information about internet business and passive income. Also, if you have any success stories to offer or a favorite website for passive income, let us know in the comments. As always, I appreciate you stopping by. Accept the power of websites that generate passive revenue, take action, and we'll see you in the following video.